The biggest need is for a shelter to be built for these children to have their immediate needs met. There's building awareness on social media, that's a huge part. Sharing posts, pages, things like that, liking our page on Facebook, following what we're doing. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who has been alongside of us on this journey so far, and with getting the land, with getting Regeneration started, and doing our outreach programs, volunteers. Everyone who's been a part of it I'm so thankful for you guys. And I also want to thank everyone who wants to continue being a part of our journey, because really what we're doing is not just making an impact now, but for eternity. So I'm just so thankful for you guys, and I hope that we can continue partnering and making a difference in the Philippines and around the world for these children.
I'm so excited that you guys can be here to witness the land that we just purchased, Regeneration International, and we are just looking forward to what's to come for the future shelter in this land.
Okay, so here we're on a main road, which is nice. It's in a good area. This is the front part. And there's where the water goes. And there's the back part. So there's another house right there that has, it's a really pretty house. It's about 500 square meters. As you can see, there's an irrigation canal right here that sweeps through and cuts it in half. But back there is actually where we are going to have the shelter. So when all of this is torn out, this is going to be the future shelter